Hi, my name is Minakshi, and I'm currently the country head for Bima. Bima is a startup in the insurtech space. We are headquartered in London, but I run the business for Bima in Malaysia. I was born and brought up in Delhi in a middle class business family. My parents focused a lot on hard work and also gave me opportunities to become fairly independent, even as a girl. I definitely leveraged these values during my career journey. I was quite fortunate to graduate as an engineer from IIT, and like many engineers, went to study MBA later. In terms of my career journey, it was quite varied. I started my career with Schlumberger in the oil and gas industry. I was based in Assam in India. From there on, I switched to strategy consulting, where I worked across a range of industries and business topics. This really helped me to understand about different functions from marketing, finance, sales, and distribution, as well as learn about several industries. So I worked in consumer goods, oil and gas, and a few other sectors. I then moved to Diageo. Diageo is the maker of Johnny Walker and Smirnoff, etc. I worked with them in their Singapore office for about 5 years, where I worked across several roles: strategy, sales and marketing, partnerships, and new businesses as well. And finally, I decided to pull all of this experience through to satisfy my long term itch to do something entrepreneurial, which is when I moved to Bima. Bima operates in 9 countries globally, but I joined them in Malaysia to set up and launch the business in Malaysia. Insurance is underpenetrated, especially in developing economies. It's typically considered complex, a lot of terms, exclusions. So therefore, we see a huge trend towards a focus on simplicity, convenience, and digitization of insurance. Of course, this has been accelerated due to the COVID situation, as in any sector. The other trend we see is that there is an emergence of ecosystems to drive this disruption. There is a very strong collaboration between startups, telcos, established insurance players, and regulators who are coming together to realize this opportunity, which is very interesting. Which is why you see, wallets selling insurance, or Grab selling insurance, or Ola selling insurance now. The message I want to share for women in their early careers: when you start your career, try to experience different roles, geographies, bosses. This is really important as you learn new skills and also find out what you are passionate about. When you do this, be prepared for 2 things. One is working hard. Every time you take a new role or try a new industry, there is a learning curve, which means that you will be working harder than you would have had you not challenged yourself to do this role or make this change. Second is be prepared to fail a few times. Failures are part of success, because when we fail, we learn to try harder and become more resilient. And every time there is a new role or a new industry, you have to you will fail a few times. So one has to get comfortable with some of these failures. My own learnings: believe in yourself. One thing you learn as you become more senior is that you don't have all the answers, and you never will have all the answers, be it a business decision or figuring out a new role. In that instance, you have to remember to always play to your strengths and to rely on your gut to take a leap of faith. And believe that in the end, it will all work out fine. The second thing I would say is that the journey is more important than the destination. When I look back at my journey, I followed a very zigzag path to reach where I am today. But when I look at different parts of my career, I have truly enjoyed many of those different roles because they helped me build different skills and also meet a wide range of colleagues, many of whom had a significant impact on my life and vice versa. Had I followed a very linear career path, this would not have been possible. And lastly, I would say build your network of mentors, role models, and support system. I found a huge difference when I moved from India to Singapore, where I found many more women in the workforce and in senior roles. This network helps in a few ways. One is, of course, when you find others in the same industry and function, then you learn from them. But secondly, this network helps you learn from experiences of other women who have faced similar situations as you may be facing.